rehashing. It is essential part, and each hash table requires rehashing. That is each hash table when it is prepared, when it is start to work, then rehashing is essential for the hash table. So essential part, that is, we can say that is the compulsory part of the hashing table. Why hash table is we perform hash table? That is a linear data structure to store the data. Where? At the bucket. But when bucket is full, data is coming havoc, but bucket is full, so it is not possible to store data further, but it will take a critical conditions, that is the primary clustering, secondary clustering will be situated, situation will come, and this clustering will go down, that is the make slowness of the system, that is the data access, data retrieve, data storage capacity will be lost. At that point, rehashing is essential part of the system. And at beginning, I already discussed the hash table, also the clustering, primary clustering, secondary clustering, when the situation is arised, how the solution will, we can get the solution. But rehashing is essential, another types of solution, that is the total index will be changed. And the rehashing table will be generated newly, so the pointer will be changed. Also the value of the reference value, of course, it will be changed, and it will take the three types of, we know that the rehashing table is organized by three types of operation, that is the folded key operation, multiplication process, and the other is the process of division and remainder process. This division and remainder process is essential process, very lively, it is used in everywhere. So each and every process is okay, but rehashing is essential due to the enhance of the operation of the hash table. And this hash table will work finely because the total number of index will be changed, the capacity will enhance by double. That is the array value of the rehash table at previous, if it is stayed, then later it will be 20, that is the 20. So after rehashing, the capacity of the hash table will be enlarged. And the indexing will be changed, and it will be a good thing to change the value of the table, and the access capacity will be enhanced. The order of n is the time complexity to remodule to enhance the capacity of the table, the hash table.